up out of there.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
You like that up, Slim? Why you acting like that? Oh, shit. You done fucked up, man. You done put two of America's most wanted in the same motherfucking place at the same motherfucking time. Y'all niggas about to feel this. Break out the champagne glasses and motherfucking condoms. Have one on us, alright? Picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture. Bomb the hooches with precision. My intentions to get with you with that and double OP. Dog, my fucking homie. Use a cold ass nigga on them all.
Show up, I keep my animals in, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom, waiting on the outcome. 3 Tupac is all that's on the niggas' mind. But at the same time, it's really trying to take mine. So I'ma get smart and get defensive of shit. And put together a million march for some gangsta shit.
So now they got a slate. 2 multi-millionaire motherfuckers catch a case. Bitches get ready for the throwdown. The shit's about to go down. Me and Snoop about to plan. I'm losing my religion. I'm vicious on these stool pigeons. You might be deep in this game, but you got the rules missing. Niggas be acting like they savage. They out to get the garbage. I got nothing but love for my niggas living life.
I got a pit named P, she nigga ring. I got a house out in the hills, right next to Chino. And I think I got a black female, but my dream is to own a clock casino. Like Bugsy Sleeps, I can do it all legal and get scooped up by the little homie in the Riga. It feel good to you, baby bubba. You see, this is for the G's and the keys, motherfucker.
Now follow as we ride. Motherfuck the rest, two of the best from the west side. And I can make you famous. Niggas been down for years. So how can they blame us? I live in fear of a felony. I never stop belling me. Motherfucking G's. If you got it, better flow. And nothing won't. Two of America's most wanted.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta
That give me 50 feet. Defeat is not my destiny. Release me to the streets and keep whatever's left of me. Jealousy is misery, suffering is greed. You better be prepared when you cowards fuck with me. I bust a fleet. These niggas must be crazy. What? There ain't no mercy, motherfuckers. We face the third. You thought it was when it wasn't. Now disappear. Bow down in the presence of a ghost
Like
slave.
blood, gang banging, everybody you a dope slang. Yeah, you gotta have papers in this world. You might get your first snatch before your eyes swore. You're doing the job every day. You need to work so hard till your hair turn gray. Let me tell you my life and about the way it is. You see, we live by the gun, so we die by the
They tell me not to